I saw a huge opportunity with ZIPS. So when I looked at ZIPS, I said, I want to start in a market where I've got some brand recognition with a brand that really is on the move nationally. And that certainly is the case with ZIPS. We jumped in 2017. We opened our first store and we opened another store a year later, and we've been rolling ever since.
One of the things I love about the Zips brand is that what it's really about is value. And quality isn't compromised. It's about providing high levels of quality at an extremely good value.
As more people are now going back into jobs that require them to be in person in office, we're having a new generation of customers that are now starting to understand the importance of dry cleaning. There is plenty of opportunity out there for us to expand.
People like the time saving of getting your dry cleaning done, and they like the money saving of getting it done somewhere inexpensively. And so I don't think this industry is going away. Certainly the discount dry cleaners are growing, and Zips is one of the leaders in that.
After the pandemic and what everybody went through, we weren't sure what was going to happen with dry cleaning. But what we're seeing now is that there is a demand for dry cleaning. There is a demand for laundry services, wash and fold as well.
Innovation really matters, and in the case of Zips, being a low cost provider, being a lot faster than everyone else, and being technology driven, it really just helps us to stand out in the marketplace. Like, we really have a crystal clear black and white advantage over every other competitor in the space.
Someone who would make out to be a great Zips franchise owner is someone with that entrepreneurial spirit, but also someone who is willing to follow a process or follow. I like to call it our recipe. It's proven and it's successful.
Owning a Zips franchise it's not an ATM. It's not something you can just turn on the open sign and money comes in. It's something you have to have active ownership or a very good management staff, in place. Because in the front, it's customer service. In the back, it's a factory. So you have to really develop a staff to make it work.
As a veteran, we are used to working in a team environment. And I believe that Zips franchising is great for that. It gives you an opportunity, one, to be part of a team, but also continue leading, especially as a franchisee.
Zips owners have to be focused on customer service to have people come back to their stores. People love Zips. They love our unique differentiators, our pricing, our quick service. But unless you take good care of them, they're not going to come back. If you take good care of your customers, not only are they going to come back, but they're also going to tell their friends and their family to come.
Because we're helping people save money. We're making them look good. I'm actually proud of what I do.
I think it just comes down to one thing, and it's the passion to do something that you love. When I wake up every morning, I don't feel like I'm going to work. I feel like I'm just getting up and going to do something that I love. And I think when you look at it that way, and you can be successful at anything.
Our job is the support team here at Zips Franchising, is to make sure that we're doing everything we can to create value and make sure that we're doing things to help our franchisees be more profitable and to return on their investment faster than they could do on their own.